When considering HubSpot Service Hub for your help desk software, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision, especially if you're comparing it to other tools on the market. Here are 12 key points to consider. First, HubSpot Service Hub is well known for its all-in-one approach. It offers not just a help desk, but tools that integrate sales, marketing, and customer service. Unlike standalone help desk solutions, HubSpot lets your teams collaborate easily across different functions. However, if you're looking for something highly specialized just for support, there are other tools that might offer deeper features for managing customer tickets. Next thing, pricing can be tricky with HubSpot. The free plan provides basic features like ticketing and live chat, but to unlock advanced features like automation and reporting, you'll need to move up to a paid plan. Competitors like Freshdesk and Zendesk have competitive pricing models that may offer more features in their free tiers, but HubSpot's pricing does scale with the number of users, which can add up quickly. The third thing is customization. HubSpot offers a decent level of customization with workflows, templates, and ticketing views, but it's not as flexible as other options like Zendesk, which allows more in-depth customization of user interfaces and workflows. If you need highly tailored processes, you might find HubSpot a little limited compared to its competitors. Moving on, automation in HubSpot is strong. With the paid plans, you can set up workflows for ticket management, customer feedback, and even internal team notifications. But if you compare it to tools like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk, HubSpot's automation tools might not be as advanced or easy to configure, especially if you don't have a tech-savvy team. The fifth thing is the reporting and analytics. HubSpot's reporting tools are very intuitive and easy to use, making it great for teams who are new to help desk software. That said, if you need detailed, granular reports, other platforms like Zendesk may provide more in-depth reporting capabilities, though HubSpot's reports can still be quite useful for most teams. The sixth thing to note is the integration options. HubSpot shines in this department. With hundreds of integrations for popular platforms like Salesforce, Slack, and Shopify, it's great for businesses already using HubSpot for CRM or marketing. On the downside, some competitors like Freshdesk offer similarly strong integrations, but HubSpot has a limited set of integrations for more niche tools. Next thing, the knowledge base feature. HubSpot Service Hub allows you to build a knowledge base, helping customers find solutions without contacting your team. While this is a great self-service option, competitors like Freshdesk offer a more robust knowledge base system with AI-powered suggestions, which could make a difference if you're looking for more advanced capabilities. The eighth thing is the customer support. HubSpot offers a mix of chat, email, and phone support, but only at higher pricing tiers. Other tools like Zendesk provide 24/7 support across all plans. If you're running a global business with different time zones, you might find that HubSpot's support hours don't always line up with your needs. The ninth thing is the user interface. HubSpot is known for its clean, user-friendly interface. It's great for teams who are not very tech-savvy, and this is a big advantage over more complex systems like Zendesk or Freshdesk. However, if you need more advanced customization, or if your team requires specific workflows, HubSpot's interface might feel too simplified for your needs. The 10th thing to consider is the ticketing system. HubSpot's ticketing system is solid, but it doesn't have the same depth as Zendesk's, which offers features like multi-channel support, better reporting, and more robust automation. For most small to medium-sized businesses, HubSpot's ticketing will work, but larger teams might need something more feature-rich. The 11th thing is the mobile app. HubSpot's mobile app offers functionality for managing tickets, tracking performance, and communicating with customers on the go. While it's not as feature-packed as other apps like Zendesk's, it still provides a good level of convenience for teams that need access from anywhere. Lastly, HubSpot is an excellent option if you're already using other HubSpot tools like its CRM or Marketing Hub. The seamless integration across these platforms is a big draw, and it's one of the reasons businesses choose HubSpot.